The Motorola Razr 70 Ultra redefines what's possible in a foldable smartphone by combining premium hardware with cutting-edge innovation. At the forefront is its stunning QHD Super AMOLED display, offering a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate that brings fluidity to everything from scrolling to high-intensity gaming. The vibrant color reproduction and sharp resolution make it ideal for media consumption, mobile content creation, and immersive multitasking. Powering this futuristic device is the ultra-efficient Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, engineered for peak performance and intelligent power management. Whether you're running demanding apps, switching between tasks, or utilizing AI features, this chip ensures a seamless and responsive experience. Battery life is another standout feature. The Razr 70 Ultra packs a massive 7,000 mAh battery, which is unusually large for a foldable and provides exceptional longevity, keeping you connected and productive well beyond a full day of use. For photography, Motorola takes a bold leap with a 200MP main camera, designed to capture stunning detail and dynamic range in every shot. From professional-grade photography to 8K video recording, the camera system is built for serious creators. Altogether, the Razr 70 Ultra delivers a premium flagship experience in a sleek, foldable form factor, making it one of the most advanced and versatile smartphones in its class.